Tapos unboxing tayo guys. Ito, bumili sa wrap ng wine. Dalawa. So, lagay muna natin dito to. Okay, and I have something take out. Palabok. Palabok guys, palabok. Kasi na. Palabok. Ay, naku, bakit ano na ito? Dito natin i-ano. In my life. And we have liver, chicken liver guys, para sa ating mga aso. And we have 2 hams, Lucy, and then we have some pork fillet, I think ito, steak bread daw, and another chicken feet again. And then we have beef, minute steak, and then we have cheese, and then we have popcorn. Wait lang, Lucy, it's heavy na po. Coca-Cola, and I have my drinks, coconut juice. And we have seasoning, another coconut juice, and we have this seasoning, and okay, oyster sauce, and Japanese oishi, and bumili ako ng ano, pangbaon ba? Noodle soup. Yan. Easy. Just put in the bag. Lagyan ng mainit na tubig. Wait a minute, Lucy. You need to wait. Hindi na makahintay itong little girl ko. At mayroon tayo dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano pangalan nito. Sfagliati. Ano? Sfagliati? Biscuit. Oh, yeah. At mayroon tayong free. Free lang ito guys sa Baldivis. Yan. Get one free. Cheers. Cherry tomato. Bean sprout. Coriander. Lami na sa mga soup natin. And oyster mushroom. Kay wrap. Biscuit. Ano? Biscuit yata to. Ay, candy, coconut milk, bamboo shoot, mayonnaise guys. Siyempre sa ating mga babies treat. Puro treats na ito. Mga treats. Another treats. Ang mamahal ng mga aso. At meron tayo another complete pig ears. Yan. At bumili din kami ng jerky. Favorite ko guys. Beef jerky. Ano ba? Ano may ipakita? Yun. Masarap siya guys. Smoky and regular. Dalawa. Sarap. Pulutan ba? And I think that's it. ba? Ito. Kitchen towel. At saka guys, binilhan ako ni Rock ng napakabangong. Ang bango niya guys. You know. Daisy Wild. Marc Jacob. Super bango. Tinesting ko dito. Sarap. So that's all guys. Shopping today. Thank you for watching.